Hello, my name is Joel Andres Camacho Serrano, and in this video I'm going to explain the listening process in a practical and easy to understand way. Listening is not the same as hearing. Hearing is passive. We hear sounds all the time, but listening is active. It means focusing your attention and understanding the message someone is trying to communicate. Listening involves both verbal and non-verbal cues like tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language. The listening process includes five main stages. Receiving, we hear the sound and know someone is speaking. Understanding, we process the message. Evaluating, we think about the meaning. Responding, we give feedback. Remembering, we store the message. For example, if a friend tells you they feel stressed, a good listener gives attention, keeps eye contact, and shows empathy. Listening helps build relationships, avoids problems, and improves communication. Thanks for watching.